Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Mimi. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a bun without using any hair accessories. So let's get started. To make the bun, gather all of your hair into a high ponytail. Next, using your fingers, smooth out your hair and make sure that all of your hair strands are inside the ponytail. Then grab your ponytail in your right hand and place your left hand underneath the ponytail and wrap your ponytail around the left hand like so. Then grab the rest of the hair and wrap it around the base of the ponytail and tuck the ends underneath. Then grab the hair loop that you have on your left hand and spread it out like so. Then using both of your thumbs, push the rest of the hair through that loop. Make sure that the loop that you create on your left hand is nice and tight, because that's eventually gonna work as a hair tie and it will keep your hair secured in place. And here you have it, your hair bun without using any hair accessories. I'm someone who often loses hair ties, bobby pins, hairpins, Bunstick and whatnot, and I think some of you might have the same problem. So I hope this short video was helpful for you guys. If it was, definitely give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below what other videos you guys would like to see from me. That's it for today, and I'll talk to you guys later soon with another video. Till then, bye.